Okay, TikTok made me get this because it was such a good deal to give up. This hair blow dryer is truly so amazing, and I'm not exaggerating, guys. It's the elite, the finest, the top performer. It has a magnetic end so you can attach the diffuser and the cap magnetically with ease. The airflow is perfect and it's not screaming in my ear. It uses ionic technology and 4 modes of LED temperature control, which makes my hair feel so good, and it doesn't cause any split ends or hair damage unlike my other hair dryers. I absolutely just flippin' love this hair dryer so much. It makes me look forward to getting my hair wet. I would run to get this. It's a perfect gift idea. Click on the orange shopping cart icon below.